Sportsurge is a platform that aggregates links to live sports streams, providing access to various events like NFL, NBA, soccer, and more without subscription fees. However, it primarily links to pirated or unauthorized streams, which carries significant risks. These risks include exposure to malware, potential legal issues due to copyright infringement, and unreliable stream quality with frequent buffering and interruptions. As of September 2025, Sportsurge remains operational but faces increasing scrutiny and legal actions, such as domain seizures and takedowns, leading to temporary outages and the use of mirrors and VPNs for access. The platform is plagued by ads, pop-ups, and potential phishing attempts, making it crucial to understand these risks before using the service. To mitigate risks from Sportsurge, start with a VPN. A VPN like ExpressVPN or NordVPN masks your IP address, providing anonymity and preventing ISP throttling during streaming. Next, protect yourself with ad blockers such as uBlock Origin, which blocks malicious pop-ups, and antivirus software like Malwarebytes, which scans for infections before they harm your device. When accessing Sportsurge on different devices, take precautions. On Firestick, enable apps from unknown sources to sideload apps, but always use a VPN for added security. For mobile devices, download only from official app stores to avoid counterfeit apps. Instead of risking unsafe streams, choose legal alternatives. Services like Peacock offer free and premium tiers for live sports. Paramount Plus provides affordable bundles with high-quality content. ESPN Plus and Hulu Live deliver subscription-based HD streams, ensuring reliability and supporting creators. Overall, the streaming landscape is evolving toward legal, subscription-based models. These platforms offer affordable bundles, superior user experiences, and peace of mind compared to the risks of Sportsurge.